Welcome to the Sales Lab. Well, then let's start there. Why don't you tell us where you came from, a little bit about your path to where you are now?
Yeah, sure. So I graduated from Texas A&M, started in civil engineering, believe it or not.
Okay.
And my dad's a mining engineer, like lignite coal mine, but surface level, not big tunnels in the ground. And so growing up, I knew I was going to do engineering. Started off in civil. It was fine. I enjoyed it. It was just kind of this immediate, wait a second, do I want to sit behind a desk all day? Right. Now, 18 years later, I may still be sitting behind a desk all day, but for a lot of years doing technical sales, I was not. And so I kind of started exploring my options, and I actually thought about doing mechanical engineering, but kind of saw that a little bit of the same, and then ended up in industrial distribution because I saw it had a really good mix of still maintaining and challenging and growing the technical aptitude, but also being able to go in a lot of different career paths that would allow me to have more flexibility on what I would want to do when I graduated from college. So class of 2006 from Texas A&M, industrial distribution, started with Johnson Controls. June 4th was 18 years ago, right out of A&M. So was hired on as a technical sales engineer and was responsible for selling all of our HVAC equipment and building automation system products and systems. Having the technical background helped a lot because we spent the first 3 to 6 months back and forth between here and Milwaukee, where it was more technical training really on what I was going to be selling, but also sales training at the same time. So a lot of the stuff that I learned when I was in Norm's sales classes very quickly became applicable and were quite helpful actually to just
got a book right here.
A good starting place and feel a lot more comfortable right out of the gate. Right. So I did. Just real quick, I did that for 8 years. I was a technical sales manager or technical sales, then moved into the sales leadership position in Houston. And I did that for 4 years and then moved into the sales leadership role over Texas, still responsible for HVAC equipment and controls, but for all of Texas.
Perfect.
And then about 2 years ago, moved into the role that I'm in now as the market general manager for Greater Houston. So that is down to Galveston, halfway to San Antonio, including College Station, kind of over to Huntsville, all the way over to Beaumont and back around. So we have really proud. We have a great team, great business. We have 500 employees in Houston.
Oh wow!
Across our HVAC equipment, smart building controls, fire alarm, and security businesses. And so it's a lot to keep the arms wrapped around, and a lot of customers, but. The technical, once you have the technical sales side in you, you can't ever get rid of it, right? So people bring me problems and I need them to go solve them, but I still enjoy the technical so much that I start asking questions on stuff that I was in the weeds on 15 years ago, right? Because it's just naturally you love the technical side of things and understanding how things work, and if they're not what's broken, what needs to be corrected. And so, it's been a long journey, but it's been quite rewarding. I laugh thinking about how different my career would look if I had never ventured into industrial distribution and really opened my horizon on what the options were and what was out there. Because I would have never, as an engineer focus and mindset, I would have never even realized that technical sales was a thing